Where did you send the boy then?
St. Brutus, it's a fine institution for hopeless cases.
And do they use a cane at St. Brutus's boy?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've been beaten loads of times.
Excellent. Won't have this nimby-mamby, wishy-washy nonsense of not beating people who deserve it. But you mustn't blame yourself for how this one turned out, Vernon. It's all to do with blood. Bad blood will out. And what did you say the boy's father did, Petunia? Nothing, he was unemployed. And a drunk, no doubt.
That is a lie.
What did you say, boy?
My father wasn't a drunk.
Hey, don't fuss, Petunia. I have a very fine grip.
I think it's time you went to bed.
Quiet, Vernon. You clean it up. Actually, it's nothing to do with the father. It's all to do with the mother. You see it all the time with dogs. If there's something wrong with the bitch, then there's something wrong with the pup.
Shut up! Shut up!
Right. Let me tell you.
Caught you, Marge, I caught you.